Hey everyone! So far we've traveled to 10 countries capturing breathtaking 4K drone footages. If you haven't seen our adventures, make sure to check them out on our channel. It took us 40 minutes by drive from Postojna to Ljubljana. Ljubljana, the capital of Slovenia, has a population of approximately 294,000 people as of 2024. Ljubljana is bursting with history, culture, and amazing architecture. It all began back in Roman times when Ljubljana was known as Emona, and since then, it's been shaped by various influences, including the Habsburgs. The architecture here is breathtaking. Imagine a blend of Baroque, Vienna Secession, and modern styles. And you can't talk about Ljubljana without mentioning the genius architect Jože Plečnik. His work is all over the city, especially in the historic Old Town. Don't miss the iconic Ljubljana Castle sitting proudly on Castle Hill, showcasing the city's rich heritage. Ljubljana is also famous for its lush green landscapes, which earned it the title of Europe's Green Capital in 2016. It's surrounded by stunning hills and is home to parks like Tivoli Park, the city's largest and most popular green space. Walking through the park, you can feel the commitment to sustainability and environmental conservation that Ljubljana is so proud of. Oh, and before I forget, the trains in Slovenia are quite huge. We were amazed by their size during our travels. Let's talk about the Ljubljana Castle for a moment. Perched on Castle Hill, it offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city. This fortress dates back to the 11th century, but most of what we see today was developed in the 15th century in the Gothic style. Over the years, it has been a medieval fortress, a royal residence, and even a prison. Today, it's a must-visit attraction, drawing in about 1.2 million tourists each year. The Slovenian flag flies proudly atop the castle, a striking symbol against the city skyline. And getting up there? Take the funicular railway for a quick and scenic ride. Now let's talk about the Canale, officially known as the Ljubljanica River, which flows right through the heart of the city. Historically, it was a vital trade route, and today, it's the city's lifeline. Picture scenic promenades lined with willow trees and historic bridges like the Triple Bridge and Dragon Bridge. These riverbanks have transformed into lively spaces filled with cafes, shops, and markets, making it a favorite spot for locals and tourists alike. Boat tours offer a unique perspective of the city's architecture and host cultural events and festivals. And can we just say, the people of Slovenia are incredibly friendly? While flying our drone, teenagers waved at us and sent well wishes to our channel. That was such a heartwarming experience. With this, we end our Ljubljana's trip. Next up, we'll be taking you to the stunning city of Bled in Slovenia. So stay tuned for more travel adventures. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.